Hello, back again on MOTO-CAR TV. MOTO-CAR TV will provide information about LEXMOTO Cypher. Introducing Cypher, the first electric motorcycle to be introduced to the LEXMOTO range. The Cypher offers an easy, accessible, and cost-effective way of transforming the way you commute. Featuring a 1500-watt electric motor and a range of up to 40 miles, the Cypher gives a new way to tackle the way you travel. It features a removable lithium-ion battery that enables you to charge the motorcycle while it is parked up, and comes with extended servicing interval and 2 years part and labor warranty and a 3-year warranty on the battery. With a top speed of 30 miles per hour, the Cypher is more accessible than most other motorcycles. It can be ridden on a AM category license, meaning that it is available to 16 years old, and also those who passed their car driving test before 2001. The positive impact on the environment is recognized by the UK government too, who are keen to support the adoption of electric vehicles. The Cypher have developed to be eligible to meet the Olive Grant scheme, which gives a 20% reduction from the RPP. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel.